Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can indent in your sheets on Smartsheet. So let us dive right into it. Alright guys, so doing this is actually very simple. So head over to your Smartsheet account, access your workspace, and after that also a workspace item like a project sheet. And as you can see, I added a hierarchy or have added a hierarchy here with that indent. So what you want to do is simply navigate to your project sheet and switch to the grid view. To do that, click into the current view drop-down menu here and switch from the table, award view, or Gantt to the grid view. And here guys, what you want to do is simply left click into the given task or cell you would like to make a sub item, for example, of a parent item, or simply apply an indent. Let me go with the lowermost task here. And what you want to do is simply click into this button here, indent. You may also use the shortcut Ctrl+J for that, and that will make the item a sub item or the entire row basically. So click into it, and there you go. Now that minus button or icon has appeared to the task above, which has been converted into the parent task basically of that subtask here. So you may, for example, collapse or expand that task to see or to access the sub item or subtask below. And you can do that as often as you like, as for example, make that parent task also subtask of the task above by using the indent feature here at the top. And now you can collapse, for example, all three or all two of them. There you go. So that's how it works, guys. That's how you indent on Smartsheet. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.